so we are staying at Port Orleans, French Riverside, room 3749. It's in the Alligator Bayou. So as you can kind of see, since it's New Orleans themed, it is going to be kind of like Princess and the Frog. So this is a standard 2-queen bedroom. So it comes with a little dining area. This is a 5th sleeper bed, so this will come out into a bed. Otherwise, we stored our luggage on there since there was just 3 of us. Some little touches of Princess and the Frog on the headboards. And then everything kind of just looks like boxes, as you can see, like they were shipped here since we were on the port. Right here is your mini fridge thing and your little coffee maker. Next to this room, we do have the ice machine, which is really nice. So it's a short walk. For privacy, when we were getting ready in the morning, your curtain closes. It's a nice little theme to Princess and the Frog. And then here in the bathroom, you kind of got your washing board. And then just a normal shower. What is nice is you've got like the bench and the H2O products. But here is the shower. What is nice with this room, it's a short 5-minute walk to the pool. And there is a tranquility pool close by. And I'll show you from out the door some of the outside. If you were to go to the left that way, you'll find a tranquility pool. But it is nice. And then this way is going to be towards your parking lot. One tip that I do recommend, do not check your luggage while you're waiting for your room. Just keep it in your car if you're driving, because it is a long walk from the main area. The property is very large. There's hammocks for you to enjoy throughout. This is a view kind of showing you what the rooms look like from outside. And it's about a 15-minute walk or so to get to the main entrance where the lobby, the quick service stores are at.